If you want to switch your Snapchat account from private to public on your iPhone or Android, for that you have to open up Snapchat and tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. Now tap on the settings icon, scroll down to privacy controls and adjust the following settings. First you have to go for view my story, set it to my friends. Now back from here, go for contact me and change it to friends and contacts. Now back from here, go for activity indicator, turn it on if you want others to see when you are active. Now back from this option, go for comment settings, choose auto approve everyone to allow public interaction. That's it from here. And from your profile, go for public profile, upload public stories and spotlight content. Now for customize your public profile details, go for the settings, enable public story replies, and many more options. And that's it. Your Snapchat is now switched to public, allowing more people to view and engage with your content. Isn't it real easy? I hope this guide helpful. Like the video and subscribe for more tips.